Okay, I'm gonna start at this point. I think this is recording. Yep. I'm gonna add how I created this tree on its own, a simple method. I think in the past I had a tree and an extrude method with polygons. I'm gonna try to use a different method here, a simpler method for you. Okay. All right, let's open this. Oh yeah. Okay, sorry about the messy but desktop, folks. But this is the one I want to create. I want to create basically one of these. Okay. All right, so I'm going to move that out of the way, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to Add Mesh, and I'm actually working with a cylinder. If you made the top hat already, this is a good review. Okay. Period key on the numpad. It's right here. So height, I can come in here and change the height if I want. Okay, if I can go 6, for example. Look, see? 8, you control it. But the minute you click out, you lose this control. Okay? The reason why I like this method and I don't like using cones is because it helps me select surfaces much better when they're four-sided. Okay? So trust me on this, it's a cylinder. Tab, or if you're not comfortable with tab, I try object mode, edit mode. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. 1 vertex, 2 edges. My keyboard's not working. Sad. 3 here is faces. So if I select this face, move my mouse out of the way, I'm in move. Okay, mouse distance away. Press S with the spidey web, and then bring it in like this. Okay, this is the bare minimum of the cone tree style that we're working on. Tab out. This part is done. I'll call it a tree. There. Second. Okay? So that part is cool. Everybody's comfortable with that. Beach ball. And I'm going to come in here, type in green tree. Okay, whatever. So I just named it. Go over here, and we press green, and it goes. The reason why you're seeing green is because I'm not in shaded mode. I'm not in wireframe. The third one here. This is your viewport shading. Okay, this is lighting. We're not going there. We're going to the third sphere. Okay, right there. So the other thing I want to do, this kind of helps you with the two color system that the video after. Check this out. If I tab in now, okay, go to edit mode, go to face. Watch this. I'm going to press I for inset. Again, I'm moving my screen so it's a 3/4 view. I'm seeing, you know, the bottom and the top kind of thing, the bottom. If I press I, look what this does. It insets a face, okay? And then instead of making a new cylinder, I can do that, and then press E for extrude, okay? And I extrude it, and now again, I'm gonna press S with my mouse far away, I'm gonna taper this out. Problem is, the bottom of the tree, or the root, the stem here, of the tree ideally is not green, right? So we go to plus, base, tree, for example. I'm going to go to the color orange, and I'm going to go to dark, right there. Can you guys mute that, please? There's me talking to myself here. You guys know what it is? Okay, so now I'm going to go into, in this mode, X-ray mode. I'm in faces. I'm going to select these faces like that. And I'm going to say, oh, I want the base tree, but I need to assign it. Assign. Once you do that, you will see now, if I tab out, there are two different colors. Okay? Your job here is to duplicate it and resize it. Command D, Shift D. Shift D for duplicate. I want to go on the right, which is Y, and I do that. Shift D again, Y, or right click duplicate, which is here, and then give the axes to Blender, Y. Okay, so a couple things you can do here. You can select the scale tool and just scale this larger kind of thing. This one just a little larger, and so forth. Okay, so you can see now wherever this is tree 1, 2, 3 because I named them all. Okay, and what else you can do is when you're doing this, and you can say, hey, I don't like the way the bottom is, right? You can tab in, X-ray mode, go to vertex, watch this. Grab the bottom vertices, and just bring this up. Okay, so we can have these different sizes. Tab out, come over here, Again, edit, which is here, edit mode, vertice, boom, and then bring this up. So it kind of lines up, but the height changes, okay? Little differences like that, okay? You can make this like this too. Instead of using the scale tool, this is a much better method, okay, where you have better control. So I can come in here and go into orthographic view, pressing these, see, bless you, like that, okay? Tab out, and then I'm gonna go to move, and I'm gonna kind of line these up, let's say on here, this one there, for example, second tree, third tree, and so forth, okay? I can come in here now and can go, I'm gonna make this one a little different, edit mode, which is tab, stay in vertices, this one goes a little like that, and I can come over here, because I'm in X-ray mode, I can press S and thin this out, okay? And if you want this to come lower, you just come down here and do that. You see? Tab. Let's go to shaded view. This is what we created. Hopefully this helps. I think it will. Nice and simple. Let's use these simple trees for now. And if you want to watch the other video with the spheres, you're welcome to do it. But this is a bare minimum right here. Okay? Thank you. Balian out.